Today we're making datemaki.
Please crack into the more. Okay. And Shelley, please
Oh, nice egg cracking.
Thank you. Can you crack an egg with one hand?
Oops.
Oh, first casualty.
Whee!
We need 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Wow, this is such a big step.
I'll do my 2 shakes while we're waiting.
Perfectly done, Salt Bay. When making something like Osechi, Ryouri, or when making this datemaki, is it the first thing that you make, or is it the last thing that you make?
Oh wow, there's a lot of fish cake that goes into this.
Wow.
This is so...
It looks like a marshmallow.
It
It
does.
feels like a marshmallow.
It literally is like a marshmallow.
Can you eat this just like this?
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm shy.
I'll try a little
Taste
too.
it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Has a taste.
This is fluffy.
Whoa, really fluffy.
Why are you smiling, Shelley?
It's like a fishy smoothie.
That's right. So that's the secret, the fluffy
Broccoli,
rolled
yes.
eggs.
Look at that. That's mango smoothie right there.
Healthy. Ooh, it looks like a pancake now. Wow,
Wow.
that's a lot.
It's real smooth, hey. Should I spread it out?
Yeah, right
It's so satisfying. Oh my gosh.
Whee!
So aside from Osechi, when else can you eat datemaki? Or is it just for Osechi?
now. Just Osechi.
Oh, it's just special. Oh.
The ones I buy at the store, they're very sweet.
Yeah,
Usually.
exactly. For the datemaki.
I guess because the Osechi, I think
no.
you try to keep it over the New Year's
Yes, it's 3
period,
days.
3 days.
Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy.
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
Oh, it's very fluffy.
Wow! Smells good though.
Yeah, it smells so good. Wow.
Oh, very
Looks like
cute.
both of us back away. Ooh la la.
Oh, it literally looks like a pancake.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's still smoking.
Perfect for the winter season.
Not gonna lie, I kinda wanna eat the leftovers. You could have done it with 2 hands like a wedding cake.
So are you squishing quite tightly or is it more
Yeah,
light?
tight.
Tight, okay.
The rubber bar
Oh!
need to be cooled down.
Oh. It's like when you curl your hair, you have to set it.
Yeah, it's literally like a roller.
Yeah,
Sort of.
I know the vibe.
It's sort of like a egg sushi.
Yeah, it is like egg sushi.
It was like egg and then more egg and then roll the egg.
Wrap it in sushi.
Datemaki could be like liked by all.
Yeah, kids can eat it, adults can eat it.
Like my little cousin eats nothing. Like he only eats like rice, but he does eat egg.
Okay, so it's perfect for him.
Yeah, so I think he would like this.
Pet it. Just like
For good
give it a
luck.
little tap. It's so bouncy.
Wow.
Wow.
Almost dead. I try to cut and retry.
Oh, okay. So the thickness is about 1.5 centimeters.
Looks so good.
It does. Oh my goodness. Are we geniuses or what? Cheers.
Taste.
It's so
So
good.
fluffy.
Yeah.
You could like a hamburger.
Looks like that one's not gonna fit. I guess we have to eat that one. It fits perfectly.
Perfect.
Yay!
Looks so good.
So,
I'm so excited to eat all this.
Yeah, sparkling sound effects. Sparkles.
Oh, this looks so,
So
good.
This is my bet. We're so mesmerized by the food. Thank you so much, Noriko-san, for teaching us how to make these datemaki egg rolls.
yeah, it's my pleasure.
And we're gonna eat all this Osechi too, but that's for the next video, so please subscribe and we'll see you next year.
We had an extraordinary time making these excellent eggs.